Bacteria are very sociable little bugs. They like to live together in colonies and communities called biofilms, kind of like ants living together forming an ant hill. The biofilm embedded bacteria can be 1,000 times more resistant than the free-floating planktonic state. So I think we can reduce the amount of antibiotics that are used on a daily basis, and I think we can offer better control and better consistency. Kane Biotech develops technology all based on biofilms. There's thousands of companies out there developing new antibiotics, new drugs. We are attacking the problem quite differently. We looked at developing a way that you can get rid of the environment in which bacteria thrive. And if you can remove the environment or impact the environment which a species thrives in, you can impact that species. In this case, it's superbugs and infectious disease that we think we can control by looking at the environment in which they live in. So our technology breaks down the biofilms, allows your body's immune system or antibiotics or cleaning agents that you're using to have a better job of killing the bacteria. One of the first products we're developing is for wound care. It's a product called Dispersal. It breaks down the biofilms on chronic wounds, acute wounds, and allows the antibiotic or your immune system to better defend itself and kill the bacteria. The second product we're developing is for oral care. A plaque on your teeth is a biofilm, and we're developing products for the pet market, breaking down the biofilms in oral care to periodontal disease and bad breath, and then move into human use after that. The third product we're developing is for hard surface disinfectants. Biofilms, bacteria form on kitchen counters, in hospitals. We've got technology that breaks down the biofilm, exposes the bacteria in its planktonic state, and allows for more efficacy and better control. I think the driver of the life science industry in Manitoba is two things. One, it's the ability to collaborate with other people with other ideas. We work with a lot of partners around the world right from here in Winnipeg. Actually, Winnipeg is a very good place to do that. We're centrally located. We're in the middle of the country. Time zones-wise are perfect. We've been able to attract partners not only here in Canada but in the US and in Europe who are testing our technology. And probably the second thing is access to capital. The ability for a company like ours, a small company that is yet pre-revenue, to be able to have the resources to do the research and development to get the product across the goal line. As a very small company, we're able to get some resourcing from the Manitoba Science Technology Fund, which was a local fund here to help start-up companies. The federal government through the IRAP program helped us through there. We were able to raise some capital through private investors, and we went public. And now the Manitoba government has been very helpful in support of us for patents. All of our technology that we develop is based on intellectual property, the ability to protect our patents and protect the knowledge and base that we have. Canada has a very good patent system, and it allows us to then expand in other parts of the world. And without protecting intellectual property, we would not have a business. Some of the support we have now is, first of all, the facility that we're in right now. We're in the Richardson Center for Functional Foods and Nutraceuticals, and to have a facility like this that we can actually operate, develop our products, develop test products, develop small-scale commercial products is paramount for us being successful. So this facility really is the reason why I think we'll be able to continue into the future. So the next big thing for Manitoba, I think, will be in the life science industry, the life science and bio industry. There's a lot going on here that is kind of behind the scenes. And I think what we have to do is more publicly address the fact that, hey, we have an industry going here, and it's a very healthy industry. And I think when we bring delegations in from other countries or other companies to look at our technology, what we're doing ourselves, what we're doing here at the University of Manitoba, what other companies in our region are doing, I think they'll really find out that, hey, there's lots going on in Manitoba, and this is a place to invest and a place to look for business.